Okay guys, today I'm talking about the GetX and for the beginner part. So how to start with GetX or how to know GetX for beginners. Okay, first of all I'm just create a simple project. Here is the app bar and a text and the column a text 15. I will do some it later, and then a row has two button minus and plus. Here is the minus and plus, which is some the button style. Okay, so that's all. So first of all, for GetX using GetX, you have to install the package. So for installing, go the installing and copy the line here, or you can go add in terminal. Okay, so go to the pubsec.yml. Here is the pubsec.yml and go for the dependencies. Here dependency, paste the and pubget. Okay, available GetX 4.65%. So our GetX package import done. So now see the main app material app homepage. It will go to the homepage, and their homepage is this property. Now create a controller. So for the GetX controller, so what does we start? So for controller, look, it is increase or decrease the appears number. Okay, so for like a class my controller extends. Now the part is GetX controller. Enter, it will import the project. Okay, now close here. So basically how we do it, or how to do it without stateful widget. So if we use stateful, then we have to just add here on the button, like on press button, just set state and it will be done. But we have to declare this value. We have to use the value of this controller, like our value, I mean final value equal 0 dot obs. So obs is must needed for the GetX. So we initialized our value 0. Now how to show the value in this 15? Okay, so go for text widget, before text widgets, like final controller equal get dot put. Our controller name is my controller, put it, done. So for the get dot put, you have to import this GetX. So our import is done. So how do we declare this value in here? So first we need this controller called our my controller. So first controller dot our value parameter is value. So value, let's change this because of something I'm coding, like this number. Okay, number. So got it dot number, and for the obs we have to declare it that it's a value. Dot to string, because this is a text widget and we have to show it text. So for the final we use and for the GetX we have to use rx int or rx strings. Okay, so our main part is done. Now restart the app. See our number is shown or not. See the 0. So if we put here is 10, so basically we call the value of the of my controller numbers. Okay, so I want to change, I want to increase the number when you click here and decrease the number when you click the minus. So in on pressed we have to do nothing now, but before we create a void method like increase number. Okay. Increase number means number plus plus, simple. And for decrease is another number is like decrease number, another number is minus minus. So if we call this function, it will increase the number, and if we decrease the, if we use this function, it will decrease the number. So before that I just create number plus plus. It will not recognize its number if we don't add the value. So you have to add value everywhere, like value, like we here at this controller dot number we call, but you have to use it a value, then it will make it a string. Okay, so just run is 10. Okay, so for increase number and decrease number, so basically we have to create just we have to call this increase number method and this decrease number method in here, like our elevator bonus negative, it's negative, so it will decrease, so controller dot decrease, done. And for the positive will controller dot increment number, done here. Oh sorry, the decrease number will be minus minus. Okay, so actually if we run the app, it will not work. Like see, in the stateful we use set state, that will change if the state is changed, it will show, but we don't declare any kind of this. So we have to change the number, so the text widgets, so we have to call it a builder. So for make a builder, wrap with a builder which is obx, and cut the whole thing. I mean, this is the shortest way to create the obx. So under the obx we put our text widget. So if you want to change any kind of number for any kind of state, I mean you have to, if you have more than number like 1 2 3 4, so you have to put the widget under obx. So now run that. See, our program is working. So positive negative, so this is the method, I mean the beginner method for understanding and the GetX. And I have introduced provider a few days ago, few months ago, so you can check this video later. So thank you all.